So I bet you can't wait to get back outside. Well, what if I told you you didn't have to wait? With the new Dimplex DLW heater, you can take the edge off those chilly days and those cold nights. Infrared heat warms you exactly the way the sun does. However, the long wave technology we are using in the DLW means there's no red glow. This is especially important when dealing with covered spaces that you'll find in commercial and high-end residential settings. Because the best heaters are the ones you don't notice, and these long wave heaters blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Mount them overhead like any other fixture, and all you need is electricity. Overhead or over table puts the heat exactly where you need it. And since they're electric, you never have to worry about open flames or exhaust fumes. No ceiling? No problem. You can also wall mount these units under a soffit or overhang. They come in 3 different power ratings and 2 different colors. Buy with confidence, knowing that Dimplex has been leading the electric heat market for over 40 years. Get yours today and get back outside.